South African Potjiekos, a culinary delight. Hello, dear learners. Today, we'll be diving into the flavors of South Africa with a traditional dish called Potjiekos. This dish not only tantalizes the taste buds but also offers a rich history and cultural significance. So, let's get started. Potjiekos, pronounced as Potjiekos, is a traditional South African stew. The name itself means small pot food in Afrikaans, which gives us a hint about how it's cooked. It is slowly simmered and prepared in a round, cast iron pot, called a potjie pot, which is placed over an open flame. Unlike regular stews, the ingredients in Potjiekos are not mixed together but layered, which allows each layer to retain its distinct flavor. Common ingredients include meat, vegetables, and sometimes even fruits. Potjiekos holds a special place in South African culture. Historically, it has its roots in the Voortrekker period, when pioneers would travel and cook their meals over open fires. As they journeyed, they would add wild game and local vegetables to the pot, creating a flavorful mix. Today, preparing Potjiekos is not just about cooking, it's an event. Families and friends gather around the pot, sharing stories, singing songs, and enjoying the anticipation of the meal. The beauty of Potjiekos is its versatility. While the traditional version uses lamb or beef, modern variations include chicken, seafood, and even vegetarian options. Each cook has their own special recipe, which may include unique ingredients like dried fruit or even a splash of wine. In different regions of South Africa, you'll find Potjiekos with a local twist, incorporating ingredients native to that area. This adaptability is what makes Potjiekos a beloved dish across the country. There you have it, a peek into the flavorful world of South African Potjiekos. We hope you've enjoyed this culinary journey and are inspired to try making Potjiekos or explore more South African dishes. Remember, food is not just about taste. It's a gateway to understanding a culture's history and values. Until next time, happy cooking and happy learning.